Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off AirPods reading messages. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off AirPods reading messages on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and click on notifications. So keep scrolling until you get the notifications and then click on that. Once you selected notifications, scroll down, locate and click on announce notifications. Locate announce when connected to headphone and then disable this. Now, whenever your headphone is connected to your phone or your AirPods is connected to your iPhone will stop announcing notifications on your phone, including messages. So if you want to turn off announce notifications completely, all you need to do as well is turn off announce notifications and then you are good. So that is exactly how to turn off AirPods reading messages on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.